a nefi yade impo so wo keni so ho be flower nefi yade kroya enintina midi program anwaso amatu ni den Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo was adwumadie mu ye be suanyama bebre ebino yen psychological condition mitremu our mental health well-being ye be sansua ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya edi impuntu bebre ye nipadua ene ya Apomuden was adwumadie mu nso ye beto safre ekukudam expert people learned people senior be ya ye ne omo be sinkonja ye no matena se ehia ade no matre ye nyama ye be ya ebeboa ye nipadua no ho na ba kokora eye medeye ye sex life which edie mu nso because our mental health is stable na physical aspect is stronger. When section is so sweet and amazing. Was adwumadie mu so enye de bia na ye be na studio so e to de bia ye be ko mountain so ye be ko efiefi mu market in sorry hospitals any baby biara siame lady titi e wa PACO TV efiada na efiede biara 11 o'clock 12:30 p.m. ni yanchwe mo ni ye hu aduro se wo pese won sponsor program we ya e ma ni iya wo dadwene se wo ya market seller ni se wo ya ejuma of pharmacy se wo ya ejuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for lots of companies for any dia bebre ejuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program se ni ye be ya ye bedu echu maka hia me abrani abrebia madam ase.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Na kwa baba aye PACO TV. Fridays they do sabria and Saturday na the journey of health. Jumede na mede bring. Na mo chiame Masomo for a dinner ni lady titi. What means of frame mesh transi. A bimocra frame Akwantu hinsem just a woman's man what we the journey of health. A do Friday say na morning says Sajum dear way and yemen kwana ya may say I do me na at the chain near abwa for a soy and sa. Imagine a koswa say a woman who deru abre ne abre biara. Intine ye koye nima won wa son ya say majume die way every Friday bi amede bremono e bi ne nyame ye Joyce fashion nyame ye Joyce fashion so upe baby apam atare say ye funeral ye wedding engagement naming ceremony birthday party wedding gowns ye nyame ye Joyce fashion center. So what do we need to atari biara ope biara me sure boss obepam no bepam ni ye na ayefe eye nyame ye Joyce fashion center so won pama den ko a won tonton fabrics de bia meka ntama papa ntama eja tomokra enhye as de guma empa to say eye original ntama say ye lace kente bibi biara yade pamade so wudu nyame ye Joyce fashion on sabeka owo latekuba se DA primary school no opposite ho pepepe nyame ye Joyce fashion udru ho no nso a bomia midin na ode be pama ma ofefefe na ayefe nso ne ye koye ni ma Paddy's mother care so upe baby ato nkwala ho nyama napkins, diapers, baby oil, baby powder, bibi biara ya wo abofra ya de kana ho dia Paddy's mother care and no so baby sasa he fa na owo amonochrome udru honum na obi se echa kwanya obi biara betro honum Latest Cosmetics Seka Cosmetics nso dia na ye nku na ye body splash nyama ye de ka honemdua no na ema honemdua ne kasa Latest Cosmetics ono nso owo latekubasi PSTS in chemu honum na oye talk to me building and constructions so upe baby ato eye ndan hu nyama iron rocks roofing sheets and then the ho bibi biara cement paint ye di sidan ma edan insu upa ma insu nyiri embuda. So what talk to me building and constructing Yama Park. What the machinami ways in sea. Mister, what dino embu. Men I make a show. It is all person what dino. One na moment in the mubia. Now person won't sit down in suka embua in suka paint in the crown pa and fedia. Or you talk to me building and construction. On also war a latte fire service. In Chemo Horma, so Usha nature quine, Udu latter fire service in Chemo Hona, Ube nature quine. Now, when I was on and say, my de be Friday, the journey of hell, Jumediano, yet the Bremo, and Sunny ever to a Jumediana, may you try Hosamambra.
Like the alphabet, tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Because our mental health is stable, my physical aspect is stronger. Then section is so sweet and amazing. Was I Julia dear so and yet the Bian your best studio so a told the beer, Yabako mountain so Yabako if ye fimo market in sorry hospitals any baby biara. Shiame Lady Titi our PACO TV if Yadana if ye de biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Niancho Chenkomo, ye drew. So what one spot.
Me sanso mama kwaba eba PACO TV do Fridays na ye the journey of health Apomuden Akwantu ena mo somfo mo sexy journalist Lady Titi me de bremo sena me di kan ansa na ye twa ye ho no so wonim safi ansa na wa join ya fra wona fofo no mo be join live no FB live, Facebook live, TikTok and YouTube, all social media platform. Obe PACO TV. Obe joining, wa share, wa like, no being so esia adie. Ne next Friday die, kikim. Kikim. If you say and guest no, tama, me producer can say, Titi, policeman in you can say, inspector, in never ba usho no so me see jamekwa. I'm sure na I am a report to be known say you are the girl I'm looking for, wanted. But Papa ni pie han me say me I'm not wanted. I am not wanted at all. We always say the police is not your friend. But net the me say the police is our friend because we ha kra no a serial name. You see the calmness no the room say the police is your friend unless you don't do the right thing. If so we go school cramp na we diso obedient. I don't think say you love teachers. You always run away from your teachers. Yes, because you're stubborn. As a citizen, no. So when you're a good citizen, there's a law, rules, regulations that govern your country, your community, your society, no. If you disobey, definitely the police will be your hater or your big enemy. And that's me yakasa we mepe say inspector no obebo ni din wa kyereye wa yes some little introduction about ne ho na fe de ato adwumedie no so that mpacho me wa pa baba PACO TV so aha the journey of health Apomuden Akwantu na me ye friend me Lady Titi mepe say obebo din wa kyereye baby a wo free baby a wo adwuma wo na ahwefo ne etiefo nso ate no me ho
yo me that's Lady Titi. Meeting the Inspector Michael Bedu Kuma.
Okay.
Me like the police station officer.
Okay.
Me krumpa de Asante Epuano.
I don't know where he fancy. Kuma so kwa na bi.
Ai Asante Bekwai.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Na ahadi ejuma na de me ba. Ejuma ntina no wa.
Okay, so Inspector Mickey. So Oya Asantini. I think you are married, right?
Yes.
With how many kids? And the more movies the movie are catching to lady titi no patch or a married man. Or a married man. As you can see. Inspector Mickey, with the Mefro Mickey. Is it Michael Edu Kuma? Okay, so that is Inspector of Latte. Or your police no latte. If we are Pem has say police station, no a officer or honum na a Juma and Edena Ababi P has say experience in police near how many years?
20 years.
20 good years. And watch on Crawford. 20 years watch on Crawford.
Yes.
Okay, I think you have a passion for this job, or you
Yes.
wanted to do because everybody is doing it.
Not that.
But I don't know why you think.
Actually, now I'm a military barras boy.
Oh, okay.
My papa is soldier.
Oh, okay.
So I had a passion for security work solely for the military.
Okay.
But as time goes by, I saw say police no uoma usuade
Okay.
okay. Me ho edom police mama e yesin say no soldier.
Okay.
Ti ema me de ni ebekire police na nyame adom so ya fa me.
The foul. And our age for 20 years. That is great. So, why is Spectre? The nature said today's topic, is going to be community policing in Ghana, building the ideal of healthy relationship between the citizen and the police. I think I should say it again. Maybe a brofo. Community policing in Ghana, building the ideal relationship, which is healthy relationship between citizen and the police. Naturally, I say we have to have a healthy relationship with you people, no
Yes.
matter what. We can't live without you people.
Yes.
Because we share all security jobs now. Police for me share police for me won't talk. Because in sing all the security jobs. Why is it so?
Internally, Ghana police and I say yeah, car police internally omo a share security so
Ghana.
mind
Okay.
nti soldier for there I just say ayedin emu ayedin ansa na from aba almost there no both internal and external.
Okay.
Nti internally ne there Ghana police and say Ghana police
Okay.
takes care of the security system here.
Okay. The more they only internal,
Yes.
so no external. So the external is like so just for normal call
Peacekeeping.
No. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Omo wo ye mu call external.
Okay.
But enye dodo no. Anything na ye find say ye internal job.
Okay. Mr. Michael, Inspector Michael Mayenti assessor with the police security job. No more internal with all the security jobs in Ghana. No, we hear their name mostly than the soldiers, the immigration, the customs, the prisons, and omo keka home. Back to our questions. Send a topic in it. So my first question, Mr. Michael, what are some common mistakes people make that can put them into trouble in the law, or you can say in the community, or?
Yes, thank you. The kind of common mistakes, but obi owa onwune say a mistake no why not doing so be enti no why.
Okay.
And they say ebia o driving. Now we do chrome, they say you don't have to go more than 30 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
Or you don't have to go more than 50 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
Signpost no ho. I was say this one now, but to be I na again say
This
or call to onwane satisfaction.
Okay.
In this manner no oko na say fofia ntoata or you are speeding na ubo akolebia. It's a mistake though, but you didn't adhere to the rules and regulations of the road.
Okay.
And wama sa oyena na aba.
Okay.
So in this case, it's a mistake, but one yet there was all. Two, everyone is a fear, and our community or na would you be a why I just say obey papa.
Okay.
And bibia ni a obeka no kore. Na wako hu say bibi esi wo fie bi mu na wako bi wa no akoka na afi obi foforo so afi chire aba se adan na oku yi asumasi maaye na enu nti ono wa benya ntokwa ono nya ntokwa na bibi ba a mistake do but na any mistake on the part of nipa na
kind of crane. Okay.
But who and wama sa aba.
Okay.
Mesaka third thing. Any community ye be a boys e wo na be antokwa na I quite remember we were station and nya call free one of the hospitals.
Okay. But about this experience na ya no ama wa no ayede because yes.
Nya call free one of the Latin clinic.
Okay.
Let me be specific. Say omode obiaba but omoba ya na we film. So we quickly rushed there to find out what happened. It drew hono na ye catcher say omode ne ba ya no mo say otehwe na what the film omode ne ba ya drew hono. And senka obi ena de ne nsako kan na ena otehwe ya ye de ahye no say ono na ekuno enti ntokwa na ade sa wentu ni ba no most of the times eye bufu ena de ba enti ye police there de bia ye say ebufu no de wo ho ebeba na emom enam so ema onye bone bufu ye na ko so nipa no ma opia no a mistake do but opia no to form na wan sorry bi ma enka ye charge you for murder.
Okay.
Even though ebia enyawo na ye ba senior uso ni mu no emra so ma ho kwan se obeso obi mu wa bra nipa no amma ho kwan se so.
So say my auntie say because we always say we have this word home defense. So let's take like obi ba me fear to attack me. I have the right to defend myself. If you ever say with that in Tokwano na me stabena, I'm not at fault because I feel like it's a home defense and I also know Imran mi bediana.
Yes. Imran no because one, ask yourself, say, nipa no obabe attack you no, then no kita or the buy.
But how would you know, say nipa you crawe, Mr. Mike?
Say where?
Hey!
Hey! You will defend yourself though. We can say, enti obaye na oye gidigidi na, ubi e wopuno, and now koshem na lock ya. Is that not also a defense?
Okay. Okay.
You get my point.
Okay.
That is also a defense. You can even leave the house for the person and you go and report the person.
Okay.
But when you see that the person is holding an implement that can kill or maim you or destroy your life, you protect your life first.
Okay.
Before anything. So your life first before defending yourself.
So how can you protect your life first?
That is what I say you can escape from that scene or go to your room, lock it.
Okay. I'm getting you now. So with Mr. Michael here, he's like, the common mistakes we think is not a mistake. They are the biggest mistake to them. It's more driving careless, no? Because according to Mr. Michael, he's like, you people have me, I don't drive, but I think he said they have what, some meters they have to go, which is
30 kilometers per hour.
30 kilometers per hour.
That is Udru Chroma.
Because
your road
is saying,
the maximum you have to go is 30 kilometers.
30 kilometers. Because they are, what can I say, pedestrian. Pedestrian. Once a pedestrian is a nipan na ho. A bit me abo akwala, a bit me abo obia, and that one the police will hold you. So please, we should be careful when we are driving, and we should obey to the rules and regulations concerning driving in our country. Mr. Michael, your next question: how can citizens contribute to maintain peace and order in their community? You being a police officer.
Your contributions and maintaining peace. Any order in the community. Say you were ohene any in paying for. Apart from ohene in paying for, Mrantia no nyina so amu opinion leader bia omunim say nipa asimesi de o kasa kyerɛ me a bitie. Aside all those people, we still have the police. But the ebema yankasa your community no emu adwo no ene say ebia obia ye obibi na wonti ase na wo pese emra eye adwuma no ebia wa frɛ opinion leader ana wa ko community assemblyman ho ana say community leaders ne bi no abona mane say ebia nipa asimesi ekwan odi mefa so ni na makoma enyo so ntimpacho we stress wo be friend na money na kasa no mabusa ne die nti a oye mesa money sa for ne tenase na mo kasa na asumdwa anya adwuma you still can come to the police. And we see to it say where is going wrong, we put order there so that nipa na koma beto ne yam ama obenya asumi no dey atnase. Nti apart from say mobeko community leaders no mobeka sa anye adwuma you can come to the police.
Okay, so semunya some disputes at home, whether family issues, land issues, properties or anything, na more the campaign funin, which is leaders in a community, na and work it out, you have to go to the police station, report to them so that they'll make sure there's peace, harmony and unity among people in the community to protect us, our mental health and our health too. Because if there's no any peace, I don't think our mental health will be stable. Yes, it will never be stable. Or what do you think about it?
It's true, it will never be stable. Even in your house, if there are conflicts, you see that you cannot sleep soundly. You always think about that conflict. What am I doing wrong? Or what am I doing right? That the opponent or the opposite person is not doing right or is doing right. Why are these happening? Most of even if you want to sleep, you cannot have that enough rest. You have to have. And he said, "Wait to me and solve that problem. No, na a poswa it dwindles your health."
Okay. So for the sake of our health and our mental health, please let's promote and maintain peace, unity and harmony among ourselves. Into Papa say to us, what are some signs of suspicious activities that should be reported to the police? Signs we have to report to the police immediately in our community, society, or in Ghana.
Signs need the doors. Ebini say bia obi abetina mo community mo foforo. You know nothing about that person. Ebia the obi hu ni say nipa no opie enyumre nko a obeba na obeba anopa no akoda enyumre nko an opie. Those people, you have to watch them very well.
I know someone on a or she dem sa son on also ni suit ne lifestyle.
I was say a juma or
okay.
A beer obi honoma chrono 70 obeko anajo no akoye no chrono oba no very relaxing. Nti safo no I was say area uti no uhum say saa nipa yi senior oye no ho no ebia na enye eho community ho e na oye de oye no but ye de anso toto form a ebetimi ehu adwuma oye ne ehu kwan a ye de ne befa so. 2 ye nyina yo community mu na the person ye boy ho ban no ebia obi de car besi baby na ewia kete ugbo hu say o twene ama free efie nu akoka nu mo area ho ebia mo hu ne da but mo hu say nipa asimesi twene ama eko kai no ewia kete there was a boy ho ban ti I was a multi free police ni be bisa no de empty all trace ani ama okay and nipa kro na otifi also I was a multi friend busa no say wa ma obi ho kwan say ombeyi niama bi emfiri ho ana na ye dia boy ho ban any community no so ho ban
okay
so say anya sa ye ma ho kwan ma abonefo ebe hye ye mu wa bra community no enya awe bo say nipa ne ehye ye mu no odi ye bone nti I was say yakasa nso yetimi boy ye ho ban e was akwan no so
okay
na etimi ema ye hu say nipa asimesi ye report na police nso friend no obusa na sema ebema wabohu se bia wa adwen bi say obeye bone bi okuro no mu kra na obema wabohu sa akuro no ebia onye sa ade no ebia na so kra ma obetimi etu efi.
Okay, and also your nice idea. According to Inspector Michael, or say to how we should report to police people, in case that we see things it's abnormal, because some people had they are abnormal. The way we live, yes, I know we live. What I say, it's such people are immediately sharp. You have to go to the police and report. Send your beya, sani paboneno. Ye be hun tree, like we will follow him early. Send your beya, bonibi opeso on DN, when DMDM according to Mr. Michael Sir. Now, and suddenly ye be co break no. Me person me bisa say, what role can community members play in supporting police investigation? As in community, as members in the community, the role ben ye be play to support you people some more investigation yeah.
Your role ye wo say play as members of the community. Yes, information.
But yes, we have some bad nuts in the police people now. They know say example. Let's take this like drug abuse of way. Omo dealing in drugs, which is the weed. Unim red marijuana said marijuana unsu and in hono. We all know it's no good. we have this rules and regulation attached to it, and the punishment or the sanction you go through when you do that. But here lies the case. You will see a policeman. Nah, that policeman is into the same drugs. So because you people are like, weed is illegal, right?
Yes.
But we still sell it. They still sell it out there, which sometimes I don't even understand. Why am I not more? And I won't say almost a scate a payo or be na my hands. Say police for bo me to me. I think say police for ni be na my hands. Yes, because I'm almost queens. Papa na papa wunim. Hey! Oh, pass actually.
That's any say.
Yes, mojo queens pa.
You see, if you be a man,
Okay.
Bad nuts, bewo police.
Okay.
Yeah, can say bad nuts. But more community. You know the good ones and the bad ones.
Okay.
So you know, say nipa asimesi there. Nko bona mania nya ade asem we.
Ebeko baby ya.
Nko. And I say nko fu ebeti.
Okay.
And say nipa asimesi there. Me say oni we mu na now. And definitely nko catch na say nko fu ombeti.
Okay.
So you know you weigh the things.
Okay.
First no nanka you see oko kase we na ekun we a ye be hia wo court na wa be yi wa no na those days no it's not like today. And then ye bo nipa na o ma information no ho ban.
Okay.
Because a bedroom baby sometimes no we will say we na be catch him to me koba ade am de be yo. And truly, if you don't protect that person, answer na nipa ne be call prison kwa na nko for abeye ni. Okay. Enti ye born nipa na o my information no ba from the bad ones. Say ne be ya e bia so information na nipa ne be ma ya no accurate. Ya call ya succeed in the operation. Whoever gave us what information, nobody knows. Because many can say, "Yeah, case be na quite so no more to old water pipelines." Emma go for be echo society.
Okay.
No more society no. Timemufo ni bia be bo police amane ni Tracy en saka for en saka omo gina court. As at today, they don't know whoever told the police.
Okay.
Because we are here to work, and any information we get, we will move on it. And when we move on it, whoever told us what, we don't disclose our information.
Okay.
Informants.
Okay.
Intimo bien through so we catch police say nipa asimesi na yesi.
Okay.
If I know base near you know, we still here. But sometimes you make the move and before you hear go for nothing. So nowadays information as to who sells it.
Yes.
As to who brings it from wherever.
Yes.
Now you who say nipa asimesi na ton. Nipa asimesi and the free harbor. And we have to block it from there and block it from here. Okay. That is the information we need.
Okay. So Anthony a bit try I want us to talk about bribery and corruption. I know here in Ghana, the bribery and corruption, dear. If you don't pay, you are not getting. If you don't give, you are not going. Yes. Since you being an inspector, why is it that me who be brave? And I want to ask this: when you so be a talker, as any planning alliances, right?
Yes.
You people are protecting our safety.
Yes.
Who need licenses are who need me? I think you can't move the car.
Yes.
You can't move the car. But you see some police people, they'll still take this bribery and they'll still take everyone's on the mind to see. For camera not to me see. No. Satya consume me. You don't know. Imagine. Oh, faha.
Yeah, I'm say sika.
Yes, sika, papa, me who pa. You see a policeman. Jina. You see this policeman so serious. It is see aba yen citizen, you know. If they are coming blood, we know in a bribe no pay. Which I think it shouldn't be like that.
See them did guy. You say if you be a man
oh, but more men sound way dear. More men sound way dear. Because certain things, Papa, we have to abolish it. I think we should. You have a scapegoat. No one said there is rules and regulation govern this country. We don't have yende. Because you see a whole policeman taking bribe, and the way they collect it too. No, my own man say. No, I said you see, and it's serious. So if you don't get the bribe on the or
say Ghana bribery and corruption goes to both the giver and the taker.
Okay.
Now, you pese ejai. Nti you pese ejai no. Then I was say yankasa timemufo no so yeah.
Okay.
I was say okache o say aden de me kokota yen nipa no. Okay, nti say watch it. Na say o se o de me be kokota. Fa me ko. Na emra ni nye ejuma. But obi o ho nim say ade a oye no the wrong thing. Onim say ade yi mi nibi. Enso me drive it. Entino onye dru ho na ogina ye na o ma police ni kwa mbaka no no esi no akọ police o masa bia me kwa masa na elite de jiwe neko na me ko menka say ye enye nemu when na beda ho a ewo eso egu na no a obeka kire say obeka tana no obeka say ewo no emfa na eje.
Okay.
So
okay.
Enti eto de bi o wa ye ntimemufo no so yetimi eye citizen arrest. Enti wa we hu say driver asimesi e de sika ama police you can report that driver.
Okay.
Because he is also giving.
He's also giving.
Enti Ghana ha law no so etia and also nti uko now the command na announce uko report to sa driver na ya china on also be chere driver police uko a padema then we carry on from there. I think say eno ebema ye juma any say bribery and corruption so be kofo ama ye.
Okay. Enti mesrebo we die maka bribery and corruption are also. Because I'm not even talking about the old people. Young guys know first the way they drive, they are not holding licenses. Omo ni shefa car na ho. Obetin so no mo de car na kopem. Omo kwa no mukunkum nkrofo easily. So please, our police officers, bribery ne de wom it's better say when na ewo so nenuma ondi. Ewo bi wo ha yakataya no. Ti mesramo. Sometimes mon katama no oh na mon fa yiye ntu yiye oh sa mo gine ne kra ochena no mo menje so na meka no mate ase mesremo me yentwa ya ho sama ye ba ye beto ayen komodi no so
Like the alphabet and letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
Like the alphabet and letter Z. Like the alphabet and letter Z. Like the alphabet and letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Na me sanso mama kwa baba PACO TV. Na PACO TV nso a na the beginning of health. Apomuden Akwantu. Na mo sexy journalist baako Lady Titi. Na ene no afiansa na ma join dia. Na ene ye kasafa community policy in Ghana, building the ideal healthy relationship between citizen and police. Na ene ye guest ye Michael Edu Kuma ene or educating intimate ceremony. We have to know what is ruling the country, because Ghana, we have laws, we have rules and regulations. You better abide to prevent any crime, any accident, anything about affecting your health, any mental health. Because so what drive carelessness now, I think so when you're accident, your health is at stake. One, your mental health too is at stake too. Because to me, say accidents, be pana who send a nipa ya. Wokra wuti fie no kra to adwendwen. So please, let's make the policemen our friends. We should learn, obey, so that there will be peace in the country. Near Twaswa, Papa. I can see some people, Mitinake Mami, who says some people read the traffic light way, no people don't obey. Red means stop. Yellow means get through. Santa go kevima me green. Go no. People don't obey. So the question here is what are the consequences of disobeying traffic rules, and how can we avoid accident?
Consequences needed and one now kind of accident. When you disobey the traffic rules. Ubetimi nya accident. Ebetimi anam so ma obi nkwa efiri.
Okay.
Because carelessly, if you are driving carelessly, na ebia one konya accident no by say only car bi akoshiem. Ebia by the shoulders of the road. Now I'm quite finding chain. Now to me, only ko bobia. I say obi abrabama. Enti say ya if we don't abide by the rules and regulations, you get accidents. You maim somebody, not even if it's not you who the driver is of. If it's not you, you do it to somebody. And I was saying who said nipa na wa bono no o we busia ebi krampa no na ye the bread winner. That we may for the rest of their life, his or her life.
Okay.
Now, when Timmy and yes, I be a man, what say will be so chance? Be an anchor and I'm no so will be a bit me a year president, will be to me a year teacher, will be to me a year soldier, but because Sisia uncle and maybe a muntino, a master any pana and car or Beshanon, when yes, it can. So. I was said, Yen I did and so na so ye Jojo my.
And I feel like some people and some of them too omokano, they don't even check. They don't check the water, they don't check the oil, they don't check the brake, they don't check the brake yoke, they don't check the accelerator, everything. And when I'm sorry, I'm not kidding. Now omoko me do omoko about she accident, because the cost of accident, you know, can't you see it's too much this time? Because accident here, accident there. No, what do you say? What do you think or say about it?
Accident there, too much.
And how do you feel when you hear such news?
I feel very bad. I feel very bad because I once had accident.
Okay.
And the feeling was terrible. It was terrible because looking at me, that's it. In that accident, now the feeling was terrible. How much? Emma Yauba. With the Yao, be so to me, Shrey of Binkwa. Until accident day, a bar, I don't feel good. So I don't feel good. I once observed an accident when I was at Tapa. And Ukranami was duty, night duty. Until we were and one car Becca said, Obi an accident, the woman who said Obi inside that point. I was like, how? We rushed there and we saw the car in the bush. We saw Nipanin San or Ford. We didn't see, say, a beer and a car being an accident. In whom the piazza. I was later near Tese, car here, and I'm saying, at the answer. Kind of far, half side. That's in a son of two from
Sack, Kayakes, no.
Near the Omode, this heavy trucks, this is so.
Yes, but why is it that sarcasm or me to me? If I mean, when you do my, I am matching. What was sarcasm? But I always say, me if I start driving, I'm in Musaka, I'll pack.
Yes.
Or maybe I'll call my husband or anybody to be like, or my family, I'll pack because Shakaka is it that container car? No one's a car, and the funny thing is, Sakas no pentam, they want to go. One me a come car. What must I can no casting in our pon one? No one has a cast or what do you think is spectrum? Because I am who to do.
So, why old driving also say, Unya, you must drive defensively. So, Nya, say, Mikita Menkwa, and a Mikita Nkofon Sunkwa. Inti, I was say, may drive ya, be shame who ye. Okay. Shame who ye. Now, me de nipa no ekodu asomdwem ma obia ho enka e say driver papa ne de wa drive akwa kodu enye de o de okita mega tente okay say o de ko na wan kodu a only driver papa no only driver papa but the good driver is the one who has traveled to his journey and ended it safely.
Okay.
Are you that you didn't end it? You are not the driver.
Because even your balate, latte police car. Sometimes who young guys now, omoko unnecessary speed.
There
But the mega say stupid.
There are a number of them. Your question.
Say you arrest you mo. No question. Me dey say me be police. Say na me chi omo no because it's serious. I don't know, start driving it omo dey impress one yo. Eh o dey hwe yan kwan we. Enkwala ne na mu. Who said police station ho kwan who said kwan it's small kakra. Then you see this young guy shim. O can say obedi what them because what talk car. Unibi. And it's serious. What talk about you? Car sound, no? Oh, you nipa nature. I mean, if he said they don't believe that there's death there, I mean, so a war, and it's a problem. You need to stop those people, or inspector.
We sometimes one of those days we in Pando because for about a month.
Yeah.
That we will not give it to you. Say because we had near information and yenya reports be bring after Sanipa no. The no your gene can see on your training license, everything was okay. But we pounded it a little.
Okay.
And we catch it and say till say on one cassava bad down. Now when we say emra ho ojai the next time I benya yebesa achini biom no you go court.
Yes.
And sisia you say
what pasem
on private is say their first now
safed one who say emra ho no because it's serious. Let's take note of that and abolish that act. It's not nice. Why? I am a driving, it's not nice. It's not nice. Impress you obia. Why? So you people should stop, please. Inspector, we have rape cases there.
yes.
Defilement. Age bang. In a say or beremne or baby have a affair. Say it's a defile.
Below the age of 16 years. Defilement.
What if akwalana nkasa ton when you by age in a walk? That one is a defilement.
When you by age, no.
16 years. And so the inside is grown. Is that one to a defilement?
Yeah, it is the age we are talking about.
Okay.
We are obeying the appearance. The appearance nature say ebia oboro 16 years. But in reality, no. Now ebia or less than 16 years.
Okay.
Nti nipa sa no oni no koye bibi with or without his or her consent, no, a defilement.
Okay. Okay.
Because I'm running say oni adwen odwen ma no.
But it's a young girls no more adwen mo dwere mo mo adwen pa.
But I'm running there. I'm running there waka say oni adwen odwen ma no. Nti wo de wa adwen ka say akwala we ono adwen ma no ho ade a ene de mra no so be kire say ondwen ma no.
Into some crofo no again am dey yomo if there is a rape case because with rape the trauma a man kwala na traumatized.
That is defilement.
Defilement, no, and with you being traumatized, no, or mental health, no, a beha kwala no for the rest of the life when there's a rape case. A bit more crowd into me, a bit more infections. So what I say. So if that case happen, again you being an inspector, again I'm did kind of if that can happen before I then call court.
The attorney say, like the police, you need those.
Oh, okay.
Your enkrabata biane debia omo trained to those to defilements, no, under DOFSU. That is domestic violence and victim support unit. Omona omoshe sa so it is a young case bi wa hasa. We refer the case to DOFSU.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, omoshe kupon ase.
Yes.
Nti ye de komom. Now they will also do the needful. But answer na ombe establishing fact they say e bia akwala we ya sense they will give you medical form to send that child or the victim to the hospital for the doctor to confirm that she has been tampered with. The doctor no confirm here, then we come to the suspect.
Okay.
That is the confirmation now. When you're in they will come to the suspect, caution the person, and then maybe take the person to court.
Okay.
And the person may come and say defilement cases are not solvable in the house.
Okay. Elaborate it small.
Say yen solve yen see defilement case ewo the fee court
but minim fie bi it was a rape case. Was a man threatened and a girl on the die. To the extent it was say papa patrol when him I had him kasa pim condom no shed nimbi enim ko rana wo the one sana mete. But enam sikeni brinti omo yi case ne de be ye fie case in abusuanfo na je 10 million
1,000 cedis.
Does it make sense?
It doesn't make sense.
But I'm make sense. Because Inspector Mayenti says when it comes to rape case or defilement na enye fiasam na, why should you take money?
Yes, we always resolve those cases at court.
Yes.
Because senior kind that victim must be traumatized.
Yes.
Ebi ana na adwene mu no afi oni obema foforo kwahia
Enye ne de bi.
Ebi obesuro obema kra. Ibi opeso oye bia no hu bema wo ho no ma and obe feel it down.
Yes.
Yes. Yenka rape case any defilement cases. Ewofi.
Okay.
Police station cry
Yenka court straight.
Solely court.
Okay. And then the inspector might yati nyama bi as we bibi ni say when it comes to defilement or rape case na mo bi meka se yenye nebusuasem or we dey say ebusuasem yen family fie no stand well na fa no court the court should deal with them.
My main fa bibi nhemu
okay
say o man be report na yeti say ebusuafo any suspect nebusuafo akotena se na omo ka yetime chi omu nyina.
Great. Pacho kabiem we dey she camera ni no omo nsem na mkan
me say o man be report na ebia obi be yi asotre say suspect any victim nebusuafo akotena se mo pese omo resolve case na yetime chi omu nyina.
Both parties ni nya yetime chi mo into the inspector Patrick say if there is a rape case na wo victim no and the suspect no say victim was the suspect mo amfa mba court ho na mo ya ma adwene say mo de bet na fia resolve issue na a police for say you to me arrest both because rape case or defilement cases are not solved at home. It should be solved at the court premises. Na sanction na ewo ho e victim no and a suspect ni nya no ye de man no say clear. So please Yenja is ebusu and because rape cases is there and it's still there and they are doing it. And I because I mean wa be shakwala anyima we di 12 years e be chumatu and papa no dey nkan chiwu e be chumatu na teenage pregnancy no so no e so aye den atse kakra papa ne yekoye nima with AK-47 say it too. How do armed robbers for no when you start to no call robbery, you being an inspector? Because I know with guns it should be license. We don't get it like that. And I it mean to you keke. So how do they get to rob? Example, but you would say news now circulated just last 2 weeks with Kobe GH. Ne circulated on TikTok. Kobe GH and a girlfriend yabi bi omukwe ye. E wo mampon ye chom so omoko wenchi say yenchi a was it Kobe GH ko tutuo na e ball girl no yesie no last Saturday we. The question is sa true no if no onya free because
etuo na ye eke
kakra ni bi I don't me share I saw no to be like that no. And I want to be told to you. I want to get this because
police you won krabata omutontu.
Okay.
I know enye AK.
Okay.
Pump action.
Okay.
And you pistols. Etimiton. Etimiton ma timemufo. Ba AK yenton police ntɔn AK
ne aya mu kura no akɛse bi
yɛn ntɔn AK-47 na saa ada etuo ne deɛ yɛtɔn
okay
obiara timi to ba okɔtɔ a yɛyɛ omu nhwehwɛ mu ehunu sɛ nipa a wotɔ no wadwene mu da hɔ woyɛ obi a wowɔ adwuma a woyɛ wonyɛ obi a woyɛ basabasa ɛbɛyɛ saa mu nhwehwɛ mu no ansa na yɛde tuo no ama
okay
obi wɔ nso ɔsɛ ɔyɛ hunter
okay
nti ɔno nso kɔ akɔtɔ tuo na ɔde akɔ hayɔ nti ɔno nso ɛwɔ hɔ baasɛ timamuni benya AK na ɔde akɔbɔ korɔ no ne deɛ sɛ yɛwɔ neighboring countries ebi mo enye bi from that side ɛna yɛwɔ yɛ police for ya mo akɔ duty a bi a nkɔfo bi akɔku
okay
ebi fo bi akɔku na ɔmafa saa etuo
okay
ɛna sɛnea me kan nso nsɛ yɛsɛ mesi krobia na sɛ busua bia mensa wo
benyo obi obeton ama
benyo obi a ɔne ɔnkɔfo no benya ebedi nsawo so na ebia ɔbɛpɛ sɛ ɔno ɔkɔba ɔbɛgye ne tuo na nso kakra wɔ no de ama ni nyinaa no ɛnyɛ nanso embra ena nya nso saa nipa no embra no so no mu a ene ne bedi ne senya embra ne se
okay na me bisa sese ukretu yen fancy whether it is licensed gun, how do you have to preserve that gun sene be ya how do you preserve a gun
di kan ka say e be hwehwe wo adwene emu say we sound say ubetimi ekitetu a babra obi ebe tietia ofa ahodi so a anya etu na obetwe ebufu obi o ebufu keke bi a meni obi ye ano bye keke no so akotwitu hwehwe adwumi hu ni se saa ne ama no wo de onya obi a wo ye quick tempered a obetimi atwetwe you by heart.
And to kind of first what you share dream is by counseling the person.
Yes.
Talking to the person. So no na mo be hu. At the police training musu yan psychology kakra na.
Yes.
Okay.
The psychology.
Okay.
Intino. Even crowd we bet me no akasa we provoke keke.
Okay.
Just to find out say we obi a we are quick tempered and I say
okay.
Inti etuo de senior be preserve no bia wo fie one o ma na wo enti wo be pe baby a wo de be sha mo fra no pra eni enhu
okay
na obi a kwala bia kofa e de akodi enyonko bone because me kai na say mu social media akwala bi kofa ne papa tu say ne papa to tu Emma on any now before dia I say papa tu ni o ma so pay
school dia na ebo girl ni ebo Suzy ni no
yes
say no krofa hu ye o say ofa hu kwa aburo chire
then so ebi ana we dia wa kofa no na amkonye ni say meni na say na ebi a owuo na dia ba
owuo
nti ubetimi e de sie baby a bofra ensa enkoka
okay
na wankasa nso o de etuo to ho a ani se o de abobo hye
okay
setem bi aboba no yi free na o de to safety de o baby a de to a say o e safety no on tutu no obi ko fakra no omia ento ti aboni nima na de ato till say bia woko baby a wa kofa se wo de bo ho ban na wo de abuba ne be shema wo de abuba ne shem krampa e wo se wo still on to safety sana
safety no ewo tio no ho ye indicate say the to high safety instead no bokra
umi a trigger no kra
okay today we are learning okay with a gun Mr. Mo amokoto no na if it is license one na police will approve it say you can use it or you can place it in your home Mr. Mo according to Inspector Michael or say you should place it at a safety side o hwe gun no so na safety place honum no mo fan to honum now with the gun aboba no Mr. Mo munyin to ho na mon stay mon fa gun and stay away from children so na be o chine bi and fast sama because sakola no kofa no to na wonya asama ya be chew na ya chi akola no so ana papa nyesa se ya be chi akola no nya
se owo be mu dia akola no so be ko
yo na wo papa no so na tuo no so wo fie ho so no wo be ko bi na che say achro mesre mo na yentwa ye ho sema na ya ba ye beto ye nkomodi no so
like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people. I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching. Like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people. I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
Like the alphabet letter Z. Tell them it's nothing about so. Yo, people. I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down.
Mama Kwaba Eba PACO TV. The journey of health. Indeed, it's a journey of health because yes, it's related to health because so ukonya accident, ukonya case, your health will never be stable. Uko court near sentence so 20 years, 15 years. When you come back, you will never be the same. So please, let's obey the rules and regulations that govern young country way, community, society. Send we will have peace, and the police will also be our friend. Inspector Michael, baby, I do no enche baby But my last question: how can we build trust between the police and the community?
Building the trust between the police and the community. And say police be here na femu die na wade no kure ebeto na community no so enya rehyiemu e police ni say ma semi die minim say me de call police a omo beka ama na me be say enya hunti ase say enye police ne cancel.
Okay.
Ye je asem na ya hwehwem na bebi a yie eda no e ato se wo se ekokota na court ankasa tinim no akanse se e wo se ebusua e ya asem a enye asem bia emfa oyene bi emba dia ebusua timetina asese ye bese ye siesie nipa asimesi ntem ene de yetimi ejaima timemofo no asundwe ena ye nyina ye hia ti se eba ne sana se omunya anya ntiase a omunya nya asundwe na akomope. Okay no etimi bridge that gap between the police and the
community. Okay, internet sorry so Inspector Michael Edukuma Ediana work at Ghana for more show you being a police inspector experience for 20 years or no Ediana work at mo send a baby community peace our young community and a latte krumo hase
yo me that's it. The meka nyina ne say police eye edwumaku a ye pe asumdwe nti ena yewo community enti senior ebema community so aye safe ama yen nyina no ehia se timemufo so ebe ye o ma femu die se omobe bomodin se omoma ntawantawa emba omontem
Okay.
na omonhwe na ye nyina ye ntina asumhwe ene can say okay, peace and harmony.
Okay.
We use peace and harmony to stay together as one family.
Okay, so one chia be out to me chia. Wa shafo wa dofo yere no bad. O you no omo late haya and omo asante hono.
Mary na ni ha married to quite kakra.
Oh, okay.
Yedi kind. We say that mechia me.
Okay.
Mrs. Mavis Ejewachi.
Chai.
Na meba.
Okay.
The kind Samuel Inshira Ahin Thompson.
Okay.
Your torso Mike Marvin Asida Edukuma. And the last one no. And also the Michael.
It's in Michael.
Japan Edukuma.
Okay.
The chairman na fe the chairman mejume mfo amene omo wa ene obia ye ne omo lata.
Okay. Okay. Yada say Mr. Michael Edukuma oye late police inspector walate community name na ene no wa try ade bebre. Yes, wa mayati say police hunye hu. The police should be our friend. Wa mayati say as a driver muhu kilometers and motorbike driving to prevent accident. You should obey the traffic to prevent accident. So munya the foul case and a rape case now, Mr. Michael Amayanti has said court in a solve such issue, not home. Now the home solving na police footsia, they can arrest both parties. And some your best sorry so no medical catch am saying me nkoa na ya me yes adwumadie we your sponsors bi ni enya me Joyce fashion so wo pe baby apam entire papa akobia bi a ye hye atare kode a enya me Joyce fashion ho nso otonton ntoma ahu bebre oye affordable na obehu na twa akwan walate kubase DA primary school in Chemua ne ye koye nim so Paddy's mother care so ope enkwala hu niama so Paddy's mother care baby oil diapers napkins bibi biara efan kwala ho no so wo hwe no wo amonochroma obenya no pepepe original nso na eche nso Rita Cosmetics so ope baby apa nku body splash bibi bia yede ka ho ndua na Rita Cosmetics on also wo late PSTS in Chemu kwa any oye talk to me building and constructions and so na me kai will say se we receive wo dan na ope BI and nyama papa wo de beka wo dan ho a wo dan mbu a na oye talk to me building and constructions and also wo fire service late fire service in Chemu kwa so we drew hono ma na ohwehwe ne kira kwan a omo be chiro aha na ye digimedie besi na me sorry say nchia kase nkomo obi biara onya abre ehye me crew members for Santiago PACO oboa ye madwumedie eba so dasene ye be hia makramo nyina bye bye.
Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked out with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill. Sports, news, entertainment, education. PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.